Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hi, how are you? Welcome, my name is Jeannie. This is Unfiltered 50s, and if you have never been here before, then welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you found us. And I am really excited today. First of all, let me tell you what I am wearing today, guys. I am wearing the new Claudette collection from Francois. Guys, you know I am a huge Nars fan, and guys, this palette is so good. If you loved the Skin Deep palette, you will definitely love the Claudette. This palette just blends out like a dream. I am loving this. So I'm wearing this palette today, and I have paired it with the lipstick from this collection in Jeanette. And I am loving this collection. I also picked up Augustine, and it is absolutely gorgeous. I picked up the blush and bronzer, so if you would like a full collection tutorial, that type of video, leave it down in the comments, let me know, and I'd be happy to do that for you. But this is a wonderful gem of a palette. So yeah, let me know. I am really loving that palette. I love the blush duo with the palette. It's just absolutely fantastic. But you know, I am a huge Francois fan. Nars just really does it for me. I love, that is like one of my favorite brands. So let me know if you'd like to see a video on the collection, the Claudette collection that he did for his mom, in honor of his mom. So let me know. In today's video, I finally, oh my gosh, this took forever to get in. I have got this puppy. This is the Big Daddy of the boxes. If you want to see what I got in my winter mystery box from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, just keep watching. We are going to be unboxing this right now. Okay guys, woo! I have to sit that on the floor because that puppy is big. So let's get into it and let's see what we got. So the very first thing that I got in the box, I'm sure that you guys have seen a lot of these boxes unboxed already. Oh my goodness, it took forever for me to get my box. But the first thing that I did get was I got the marbled, yes, this is a cosmetics bag, and it is I guess it's just the white and pink marbled cosmetics bag. It's really cute. It comes with some Jeffree Star pulls on it. I guess that's what they call these things. It has a nice little handle right here. You open it up, and it does have a zipper right here that you can put little stuff in. And this comes out. And actually, it's a pretty big makeup bag, really. It's very big. It's got two little compartments right here that's separated, so you could put little things in that. But quite honestly, it's a pretty big makeup bag. Pretty nice to get in one of these things. I kind of like the fact that it's a vinyl material that you can wipe off if it gets dirty. So that's actually pretty nice. I'm not unhappy with that at all. Liking that. A mirror. So that's pretty nice. And the one that I got is, let's see what this one looks like. Oh, okay. So the one I got is a black marble, just a nice Jeffree Star mirror, the shiny black marble. So that's pretty nice. Then we got the Jeffree Star. This is the Love Me Not. And this is the red and pink sets. So you get Doll Parts, Calabasas, Wifey, Watermelon Soda, Anna Nicole, Prom Night, Red Rum, and Unicorn Blood. So this is a very nice set to have. I do already have this set, but it is a very, very nice set to have. This is the Translucent Magic Star Setting Powder. I use the Luminous Setting Powder, so it has the baby pink lid on top, and this has the hot pink lid on top, and it's the regular setting powder. It's not the Luminous. It's made like this, so I'm just going to leave that unopened. His setting powders are very, very nice, but I currently am using the Luminous, and I really, really love the Luminous. Then I got, and I have really wanted one of these. I've never tried this before, but I got the Velour Lip Scrub in Strawberry Gum. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, it's so good. It does taste like strawberry gum. Oh, I love it. So good. Oh, that's good. Oh, that goes so good with my coffee. Then I got the gloss, and this has to be from that nasty collection. This is called Body Count. Oh, this is pretty. Okay. I usually don't do his glosses, but this one I will. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Oh, yeah. Oh, that is right up my alley. I'm loving that one, so I will definitely keep this one. Oh, look at that, how pretty that one is. That is so gorgeous. Oh my goodness, I love that, and I love the shade. Oh, that is really, really pretty. I like that one a lot. Okay. Can't get over how good that lip scrub tasted. I've never tried any of that. That is so good. Then I got a Skin Frost in Sarcophagus. Definitely don't want to open that, but I really want this to be replaced. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Let me just get some on. Oh wow, that's really pretty. I'm really happy about the color choice I got. That is so pretty. Just picking up some off of the top of the lid. Like not even opening it, just, you know, picking up some right here. That's the color. That's what it's looking like. It is just really busted up. That is definitely the color. So, yep. Very, very pretty, pretty Skin Frost. Very pretty. And I've never had a Skin Frost, so I've never seen anything busted that bad before in my life. Hopefully, I can reach out to JSC customer service and they will send me a new one, because it is really a very, very pretty highlighter. Oh my goodness. I really, really love the shade. So hopefully I will get a replacement for that. I'll have to let you know. But definitely I love it. Then I did get the hoodie that was in the pink color. So I'm so thrilled about that. I got an extra large size. Really cute to wear with jeans. It has the cute little arm that is a deeper pink and green. I think I'm just going to love this. I think the size is going to be right on the money for me because I really like my hoodies to be a little bit oversized, so this is going to be so cute. So I'm really thrilled about that. I don't have any JSC merch, so that'll be really cute. I got the cremated palette, and so I already have this one, so I will be reselling, gifting, doing something with this. One of the little mini mirrors that's like a little ornament. So that is my box. I thought that this was a pretty good box. We got a little mirror. We got the cremated palette. One of the big containers of the velour liquid lips, which I love these boxes of lippies. We got a mirror. We got a skin frost that is to die for if mine wasn't broken. A translucent powder that is to die for. A velour lip scrub. A hoodie that I am loving. And a gloss. So yeah, I'm just thinking that that is actually awesome. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the makeup cosmetics bag. There is 10 products. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the cutest hoodie, 10. So that wraps up my box. Did you get this box? Did you pick up any of the boxes? What was your favorite product in my box? Leave it down in the comments below. Let me know what you're liking from the boxes. And did you get this particular Supreme box? What was in yours? What variation did you get? I'd love to hear from you. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please come on, go ahead and hit the big red subscribe button down below. Become part of the Unfiltered 50s fam. And while you're there, set your notifications to all and don't miss a video. I am also doing my 3K subscriber giveaway, so don't miss out on that. It's running until almost the end of the month, so be sure to watch that video. I'll link it up in the iCards so that you don't miss out on that. And until my next video, smooches guys. Until then, bye for now.